As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. This shirt has been flipped inside out and upside down, and this is actually the third time I'm about to turn this into a spiral, because the last two times I had it zoomed into a space about this big and didn't realize it until I had already started doing the work, or almost finished the first time. Yeah, those brain issues are fun sometimes. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and spin this, or turn this into a spiral, and then we'll get to the difference in the dyeing for this one. Alright, let's flip that over. Alright, for this one, I'm going to go ahead and do this, draw a line through the center here. Alright. So, on each of these, see if I can do this with a ruler, make it slightly less bad than it was already. Great, it's pretty close. So, the brown lines will be where the black is placed, and then we'll do something different for the other sections. So, off to dye. Alright, for this I'm using Raven Black, Black Cherry, Timberwolf, and Cerulean Blue. And these are all from Dharma. So, let's get started. Alright, so I'll let that melt and then we'll come back and do the washout. Alright, it's been over 24 hours. Let's do this washout. Alright, let's take a quick look. Should lighten up a fair bit after it goes through the wash. But I can see some gray versus black in there. I don't know if you can on the camera. Yeah, a little bit. Alright, throw that in the wash and we'll take a final look. So here's the final result. Alright, there's a little bit of oddity here as far as the yellow. That's most likely coming out of the black, would be my best guess. So overall I think it looks really good. I would have preferred less white, as usual. So you can see the color change from the black cherry to the Timberwolf, back to the black cherry, and same with the blues. As it comes in, the blue changes into more of the Timberwolf and then back into the blue. Due to how the die was laid out. Otherwise, it's typical spiral. So what do you think of the color choices and the overall finished product? Let me know down below, and until next time, thanks for watching.